Hi everyone, welcome to acats.ai. So this is another video in our series for RBI Grade B 2021 strategy. In this video we are going to discuss how the CAT course is going to help you in cracking RBI Grade B 2021. Other videos that you need to watch is number one is on the smart studying, which is very crucial. So it covers topics like how to use flashcards, spaced repetition and other smart techniques. Number two course which you need to look is how to prepare for GA smartly. Another, there are 3-4 videos which are specific to different category of candidates, like how UPSC aspirants should tackle RBI grade B, and then one is for the working candidates and another one is for the banking. The links for all these videos have been given in the description. You can go through that and you can frame your strategy accordingly. So coming on to the second slide, so I've been instructed to keep this video very short, preferably less than 10 minutes. So I'll be going through all these slides very quickly, and if I feel I am missing something, I'll be providing you the links to give you further details. So starting with the first thing, like starting off with the ever ubiquitous question. If you look at any exam, there are two kind of candidates, one who crack the exam in their first attempt, and then there are another category of the candidates which are in majority, and they take multiple attempts to crack the exam, or even in 90% of the cases they are unable to crack it. So what can be the reasons for that? So actually we conduct a preliminary survey, and the findings that we have, it's out of that survey. So some of the factors that we came across are, one is the luck. People might genuinely be unlucky. So like if you look at this RBI grade B exam, many people, they got single digit marks in interview. And then second is the high IQ, which we do not believe at all. So for us, there is no such thing as high IQ. We believe in smart studying, smart strategy, but never in the smartness of an individual. It's all about the right guidance, right studying technique and right strategy. And so the same thing, like the things which make a candidate successful are these three things. Number one is smart study. He know how to study smart. Second is right resources. He selects his resources very carefully and then revise them multiple times. And number four is strategy, like areas on which he should prioritize and areas which he can skip. It's very crucial, especially in case of the RBI, where you have just 40 to 50 days to prepare for exam after notification. Okay, so where ACATS can help, we cannot help you with the luck, we cannot help you with the IQ, but there are three things where we can help you. So what are these three things? Right resources, effective strategy, smart studying techniques. So in this whole slide, in this whole presentation, we are going to discuss on these 2 points, 1, 2 and 3. So starting with the first thing, right resources. So first, what is the problem? So this is the approach that we are going to take for everything. The three things that we discussed recently, we are going to tell you what exactly is the problem or what is the status quo, and then we are going to show how we can help them and what are our solutions. So right resources. So the problem is, right resources is less about having everything but more about having the right thing. So in case of RBI grade B preparation, the biggest issue with RBI grade B resources is dumping of information. Although the syllabus is very clear, but if you look at the resources of the current study material which is available in the market, it has been overloaded with information. And second, to justify cost. So as you all might be aware, RBI grade B courses, due to its premium nature of the exam, they are priced very high, like something around 15k or 20k. So when they are pricing at such a high price, they need to have something to make their cost justifiable. So they make the material more and more bulky. Okay, coming on to the solution, what we can offer. So ACATS, this is what we believe in. Any intelligent fool can make things bigger and more complex. It takes a touch of genius and a lot of courage to move in opposite direction. And so what is the solution? So first of all, right resources. So we believe it's about having the right thing. So we try to make the notes as compact as possible and without compromising on comprehensiveness. Focus on providing the right thing. And it fits under 42 plus 21 strategy. To understand this, you need to go through other strategy video which is about how to crack RBI grade B in 42 plus 21. 42 is the days between notification, the phase 1, and 21 is the day. These are the number of days between phase 1 and phase 2. Okay, so we are this is another example regarding the right resources. So last year we launched RBI Grade B capsule, which had around 48 or around 52 pages. But fortunately, out of that 48 pages, 63 questions were directly from Marks Up capsule, which was a great thing actually. So if you compare it with the other compilations, they are providing at least 100 pages or up to 350 per month. You multiply it by 6, it comes around 600 to 350 into 6 is around 2100, and you compare it with the 50 pages that were provided by academy.ai, and out of that 50 pages we got around 63 questions correct. So you can confirm it with other learners also, like if they studied from our exam, how they performed in phase 1 GA. Okay, so coming on to the second thing, strategy. So what is the problem is, after release of notification, aspirants or the students, they sometimes get very enthusiastic. So they try to do everything, but always remember, you can't do everything, and if you try to, you will do even less. So focus on less is more. You need to see where you should be focusing and then prepare accordingly. And 21 is more important than 42. That is, 21 is days between phase 1 and phase 2. Because what happens in case of RBI, most of the people, they are not aware about the course details, or they are studying it for the first time, which is very much okay, and this is also expected from you. You are not expected to have some kind of background or information about the course. So in such case, what happens, your short term memory works more than your long term memory. So जो भी आप लास्ट के 21 डेज में कर रहे हैं, इट इज़ मोर क्रूशियल. लाइक मैनेजमेंट की जो भी आप थ्योरी रिवाइज कर पा रहे हैं, या जो भी ESI का डेटा रिवाइज कर पा रहे हैं, करंट अफेयर्स रिवाइज कर पा रहे हैं, ऑल दीज थिंग. सो यू नीड टू कीप योर स्ट्रेटेजी कि लाइक आप लास्ट के 21 डेज को मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइज कर सकें. एंड सेकेंड, बिलीव अस, द टाइम इज इनफ टू क्रैक द एग्जाम. 42 plus 21, it amounts to around 63 days, and it's more than enough to crack the exam. But it is not at all enough to waste by going in the wrong direction, because if you are going in the wrong direction, first you are wasting time by going in that direction, and then again wasting time. Okay, so what is the solution? So for the strategy part, we had 2-3 solutions. Number one is 5 days revision plan, and second is optimization of the videos that we'll be explaining in next few pages. So why 5 days revision plan has been showcased first? Because last year also we did the same thing. We gave our learners 5 days plan for the last 3 days, and they found this very helpful. This is out of the feedback that we got from you learners. So what we did in this 5-year plan, we provided very compact notes for subject of management, finance and ESI and reports. So like as you can see, like 12 pages, 15 pages, 6 pages and something like that. So even if you add all these things, it comes roughly around to 8 to 10 hours. So in 8 to 10 hours, with our last 5 days revision plan, you can revise complete phase 2. But the thing is, उससे पहले आपको पढ़ा होना चाहिए. It's not like कि आप सिर्फ यही करने का सोच रहे हैं, like in last 3 days, 5 days में we are going to just read it from the ACADS notes and we'll crack it. No, it won't happen. Actually last year भी यही हुआ था. Like काफ़ी learners थे जिन्होंने ट्राई किया था कि लास्ट में they can take our course, but actually we stop admissions around 10 to 12 days before the phase 2. Okay, so strategy में second part क्या है, 42 plus 21 strategy. इसमें what we are going to do, so this is the complete syllabus. This is English. ये फाइनेंस का प्रैक्टिकल वाला पार्ट हो गया. दिस इज मैनेजमेंट एंड दिस इज ESI एंड दिस इज फाइनेंस थियोरेटिकल पार्ट. सो इसमें क्या होता है, जनरली दीज थिंग्स आर न्यू फॉर एस्पिरेंट्स. दीज थिंग्स मैनेजमेंट फर्स्ट टाइम पढ़ रहे होते हैं, प्रैक्टिकल फाइनेंस के जो भी न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं वो सब फर्स्ट टाइम पढ़ रहे होते हैं. इंग्लिश लोगों को लगता है कि दे नो अबाउट दिस, बट बिलीवर्स वो भी उनके लिए फर्स्ट टाइम होता है. एंड इफ़ दे आर नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग एसे राइटिंग, प्रेसी राइटिंग, देन बाद में मार्क्स पर काफ़ी अंतर आ जाता है. एंड सेकेंड, ये स्कीम्स ESI, GA, FM, सो ये बाय इट्स वेरी नेचर कि वो फर्स्ट टाइम पढ़ेंगे, जनरल अवेयरनेस है, उसके लिए कोई पहले से प्रिपेयर करके नहीं रख सकता, ये उसी टाइम पढ़ा जाएगा. So what we are doing is under 42 plus 21 strategy, we are going to focus more on these things first. And these things, ये वाला part you can easily complete it after phase 1. Yes. So ये वाला part आपको पहले करना है कि these are the new part, you need to internalize it, because अगर आप phase 1 के बाद पढ़ेंगे तो it might appear very new to you and आप उसकी वजह से पैनिक कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द पार्ट, आप में से काफ़ी लोग इससे फैमिलियर होंगे ड्यू टू यूपीएससी प्रेप, बैंकिंग प्रेप और एनी अदर प्रेप. सो दिस पार्ट यू कैन इजीली हैंडल आफ्टर फेज 2. सो इसके लिए हमारे कॉम्पैक्ट नोट्स रहेंगे प्लस गाइडेंस वीडियोस रहेंगे जिसके थ्रू यू कैन क्रैक दिस पार्ट इजीली. एंड इस पार्ट के लिए नोट्स भी रहेंगे प्लस डिटेल्ड वीडियोज रहेंगे अनलाइक दिस पार्ट. ओके, सो कमिंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. फिनिश द कंसेप्चुअल एंड द स्टैटिक ओरिएंटेड पार्ट्स बिफोर फेब 25. एक्चुअली इट इज़ फेब 15, 25 ज़्यादा लेट हो जाएगा. लाइक इंग्लिश, इसके लिए आप कम से कम प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए. लाइक जैसे ही आप कोर्स एनरोल करेंगे, ट्राई टू राइट वन एसे, प्रेसी एंड रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन एंड गेट इट एवेल्युएटेड. सेकेंड, ESI-FM, इसका भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते, बट वील स्टार्ट मेकिंग नोट्स एंड फ्लैश कार्ड्स, स्पेस रेपिटेशन टेक्निक्स, एवरीथिंग, जिससे आप फेज 1 के बाद इसको डायरेक्टली फोकस करना शुरू कर दें. एंड दिस इज द मैनेजमेंट पार्ट. इट माइट अपीयर कि ये थोड़ा रटने वाला पार्ट है, बट बिलीव अस, someone can explain it well, like using real life concept and real life examples, then it becomes very easy. And this is the finance part, जिससे लोग काफ़ी ज़्यादा डरते हैं. So here we have tried some techniques and we are very much sure कि इससे आपको काफ़ी हेल्प मिलेगी. You will be able to complete finance practical part very easily. Okay, coming on to the next thing, smart study. So first problem, but the thing is कि problem है ही नहीं. There is no institute, there is no mentor which is following these smart studying techniques, and we feel this is one of the most crucial area where you can get an edge by following smart studying techniques. So what are these techniques? Okay, so we'll try to explain it through some examples what we did. So in case of the mnemonics and the memory tricks, so suppose Fayol has, so his theories, it can be explained using the keyword USA, USSR, EID code. So how you can remember if you want to go to USA and USSR, then you can't enjoy your Eid, and you should code even on Eid, that is holiday. तो ये सब काफ़ी एक्सप्लेन आपको टेलीग्राम पे मिल जाएगा. सो प्लीज़ गो थ्रू दिस, या फिर स्मार्ट स्टडिंग टेक्निक्स में शायद आई विल एक्सप्लेनिंग इट इन मोर डिटेल, बट फॉर नाउ यू कैन गो थ्रू आवर टेलीग्राम चैनल एंड गो थ्रू ऑल दीज टेक्निक्स. ओके, एंड देयर इज़ अ वन मोर स्टडिंग टेक्निक. जैसे ये काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट होता है रिमेंबर करना कि कौन से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कहाँ पर हेडक्वार्टर्स हैं, और ये हमेशा 1-2 क्वेश्चन आ ही जाते हैं ग्रेड बी फेज़ 1 में, GA में. सो उसके लिए वही है कि लाइक ट्राई टू मेक निमोनिक्स, जैसे जिनेवा तो रेड MLA शर्ट हो गया, ये इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन है. यू कैन गो थ्रू आवर टेलीग्राम चैनल फॉर ऑल दीज थिंग्स. And second, AI powered note making. So what AI is, we are continuously analyzing previous year question papers, and through that we are coming up with the high yielding topics, which can be done manually also, but what we have come across कि if you are using AI, then it becomes a little easier and it becomes more accurate. And second, जैसे जैसे data ज़्यादा accumulate होता है, then it becomes compulsory to use AI. Okay, so coming on to the next thing, flashcard. Believe us, this is going to be very useful technique for you, and it's going to prove life changing for you. So how our flashcards are going to work? So suppose this is ESI, इसमें आपके टॉपिक्स रहेंगे, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो गया, साइंस एंड टेक, इकोनॉमी, एनवायरनमेंट. सो उसमें जैसे ही आप क्लिक करते हैं, मान लीजिए एनवायरनमेंट में कुछ क्लिक करते हैं, उसमें न्यू वेज टू कैलकुलेट GDP है. इसमें यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट योर नोट्स वेरी ऑर्गेनिकली, लेकिन मतलब कोई आपको फ्लैश कार्ड्स बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जस्ट राइट योर नोट्स, एंड फिर उसमें आप यू कैन हाईलाइट कि कहाँ पर आपको याद करने की ज़रूरत है. सो जैसे लास्ट ईयर भी पूछा गया था कि जो नया GDP कैलकुलेशन का मेथड है उसमें क्या यूज़ किया जा रहा है, लाइक बेस ईयर क्या है इसका, 2011 एंड 12. सो आप जो नोट्स में है सिर्फ वो वाले पॉइंट्स हाईलाइट करिए विच यू फील इज इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड सेकंड, आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू कैन डू, सीधे प्रैक्टिस डॉक्यूमेंट पर जाइए एंड यू कैन प्रैक्टिस द फ्लैश कार्ड्स. जैसा एस्टिमेशन GDP ऑफ द कॉर्पोरेट फ्रॉम, ये फिलअप आ गया, इट एक्ट्स एज द फ्लैश कार्ड. एंड अगर आप इसको सही आंसर कर पा रहे हैं तो यू कैन अकॉर्डिंगली मार्क ऑन ऑल दीज 4 थिंग्स कि लाइक इमीडिएट है, ये थोड़ी देर में आपको रिमाइंड कराए, 24 आवर्स में कराए, इस तरीके से. सो 1 आवर एंड ऑल दीज ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल. अगेन ये भी स्टडिंग टेक्निक्स की जो वीडियो रहेगी उसमें काफ़ी डिटेल्ड में एक्सप्लेन है. ओके, सेकंड इज स्पेस्ड रेपिटेशंस। सो जैसा कि लाइक हम जीडीपी वाले टॉपिक का एग्जांपल लेके कर रहे थे, अगर आप इसमें यहाँ पर रहते हैं, प्रैक्टिस डॉक्यूमेंट में जाते हैं, सो यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस, वन इज स्पेस्ड रेपिटेशन। तो इसमें क्या होगा, इट विल टेक इनटू अकाउंट योर लास्ट अटेम्प्ट, कि आपने लास्ट अटेम्प्ट में कितने एग्जाम्पल सही मार्क करे थे या कितने गलत करे थे। जैसे मान लीजिए लास्ट अटेम्प्ट में आपने ये वाला गलत मार्क करा था, तो ये वाला आपको रिमाइंड कराएगा, बट MCA 21 मान लीजिए आपने कर दिया था कि यू रिमेंबर इट वेल, तो वो आपको इस दिन नहीं रिमाइंड कराएगा। सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्पेस्ड रेपिटेशन। आपको इसको भी अगर एक्सप्लेन में जाना है तो academy.ai पर ब्लॉग में जाइएगा। हियर वी हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड स्पेस्ड रेपिटेशन टेक्निक वेरी वेल। ओके, देन अनदर इज प्रैक्टिकल फाइनेंस। तो फाइनेंस में अगर आप रिसेंटली देखेंगे तो वेटेज थोड़ा कम हो गया है, बट द थिंग इज इफ़ यू कैन इंटरनाइज दिस कॉन्सेप्ट वंस, इसके लिए बस आपको एक बार वीडियो देखनी है, एक्सेल में इजीली एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है, तो आप फिर भूलेंगे नहीं। तो इसके लिए एक्सेल में काफ़ी अच्छे से वी हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड ऑल दिस कॉन्सेप्ट लाइक टाइम वैल्यू ऑफ मनी एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड ऋतिक इज हैंडलिंग दिस। सो ऋतिक, ही इज़ अ ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम IIT Delhi, and I think he did his internship and work with Goldman Sachs. So he even got an offer of around 40 to 50 lakhs from Goldman Sachs, but now he is working with us. Okay, so coming to the team acads, so this is the thing that we always highlight. So our team, we believe it is a team. We as a team, we know how the best way to crack exams in the most efficient way. Been there, done that. क्योंकि द जनरली इश्यू होता है कि लाइक द पीपल जिन्होंने एग्जाम्स को इतना ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं किया होता है, दे फील एग्जाम इज समथिंग लाइक काफ़ी ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क करना है, काफ़ी अलग करना है लाइक, बट द थिंग इज इफ़ you are doing things smartly in any exam, then it becomes very easy to crack, and you fall in the first category जो हमने initially explain किया था कि you even if you are starting your studying after release of notification, then also you can crack it. So these are few of the credentials that we have, like AIR 13 JE 353 here Hrithik, who handles the finance part, he is funny. RBI interview 40, I think it's Gaurav, and again CAT funny, and then there is Tanya, Vimal, and there are multiple people who are having all these credentials. Okay, so why CATs? Right resources, compact, that we have already explained. Effective strategy, like 42 plus 21. जो वीडियो ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू वेस्ट योर टाइम ऑन दैट, लाइक ESI हो गया, subjects about which you might be already aware. We'll be instead focusing on GA of ESI and FM through flashcard, mnemonics, memory tricks, and spaced repetition. And then smart study, practical and efficient. जो टेक्निक्स प्रैक्टिकल हैं विच कैन बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड इजीली, सिर्फ वही आपको बताई जाएंगी एंड वही आपको प्रोवाइड की जाएंगी. द थर्ड पॉइंट इज प्रूवन ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड. So if you take review of ACATS IAS in any of these exams, you will come to know about our track record and the kind of notes that we are providing. ACATS IAS also you can go through it. RBI 2019, SEBI, CAT, JEE also we have recently launched, and the course is fully updated. So the reason why we are not releasing the course immediately, because it's not an outdated course. It's not like कि 5-6 साल पहले it has been prepared and then we keep on giving the same course every time. So our course, we will take like 5 to 6 days to update the course, and then we'll be releasing on the platform. For the static part, it will be provided immediately. Okay, so this is the schedule, like the things which will be provided immediately. English descriptive already available है, ESI notes होगा, CA होगा, पूरा management होगा, finance के theory notes होगा. So जहाँ पर थोड़े updation की ज़रूरत है, we will be updating management lectures, our finishing touch by Jan 30. Like it's already Jan 27, so 2-3 days. Practical finance जिसमें like Excel and everything है, we'll be updating, keeping it on the new accounting standards and everything. It will be provided by Feb 5. RBI GA capsule, we are compiling it. It might take up to Feb 8, or we will try to supply it by Feb 5 also. Theory finance, the part which we feel is not that much crucial as of now. Theory of finance and ESI static lectures. So these things we are going to provide by Feb 10 and Feb 15. But again, इन सब के जो भी theory notes हैं वो आपके पास already हैं. So this is a principle that we are following, the flipped learning. You will be provided with the resources and everything beforehand. You are expected to go through it so that you are well prepared for the lectures. Okay, so coming on to the last thing. Yeah. So in these things also, on just the lectures, we are providing a little late, like on Jan 30 and Feb 5, etc. notes and everything, it's already there. Okay, so this is what I was looking for. Like, if you think that this course might be beneficial for you, then you can join us through acads.ai. So this is our website. Here you can go to RBI/Savvy tab. It will redirect you to RBI courses, and you can choose your course accordingly. Also, in the Explore Acads, you can go to RBI 2021 courses, and you can join our courses. For any other detail, you can text us on this number. You can also visit our Quora space. On YouTube, we are available at YouTube /marksup. This is our website. On Instagram, we are at acads.ai, and on Telegram, we are at @acads or at @marksup. For any other query, you can directly get in touch with us, or you can even comment. We'll get back to you. Thank you.